Introducing the Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Sets, a 12-piece cooking pan ensemble that promises to elevate your culinary journey to new heights. Crafted with precision and designed for efficiency, this granite black non-stick pots and pans set will revolutionize your cooking experience. Let's delve into the features that make this cookware set a must-have in every kitchen. Complete 12-piece cookware set. Get ready to indulge in culinary perfection with this comprehensive 12-piece cookware set. The ensemble includes an 8 inches fry pan, an 11 inches fry pan, a 9.7 inches deep fry pan with lid, a 1.5Q saucepan with lid, a 3Q casserole with lid, a 5Q casserole with lid, and 2 versatile silicone utensils. Plus, the interchangeable lid can be used for the frying pan, adding to the set's versatility. Hand wash and easy cleanup are recommended for maximum longevity. Superior non-stick performance. When it comes to cookware, non-stick capabilities are crucial. The Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Sets excel in this area with their premium graniteware coating that prevents food from sticking. Say goodbye to excessive oil usage and hello to healthier cooking for your family. Even when using acidic or strong-smelling ingredients, your food's taste and aroma remain intact, making it a delightful experience for your taste buds. Toxin-free cooking for peace of mind. Your family's health is a top priority, and that's why this cookware set is designed to be free of lead, PFOS, and PFOA harmful chemicals you don't want anywhere near your kitchen. Embrace a healthier and eco-friendly cooking experience with confidence, knowing that Kitchen Academy cares for your well-being. Efficient induction cooking. The cookware's interior features an aluminum core, ensuring rapid and even heat distribution. Whether you have a gas, electric, or glass stove, these induction-compatible pots and pans work seamlessly on all major cooktops. The larger high magnetic conductive stainless steel base adds to the cookware's efficiency and versatility. Bakelite handles for safety and convenience. Kitchen Academy values your safety, and that's why the cookware is equipped with Bakelite handles. Heat-resistant and electrical insulators. These handles can withstand temperatures up to 350 degrees F for a limited time, keeping you safe while cooking. The dark Bakelite handles are also stain-resistant and easy to clean, adding to the cookware's functionality. Quality and service you can rely on with Kitchen Academy. Quality comes first, and your satisfaction is of utmost importance. The cookware sets come with a 365-day warranty as standard, ensuring your peace of mind. Should you encounter any issues, our 24/7 online customer service is here to provide prompt assistance, making your cooking experience delightful and stress-free.